Sit comfortably. Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes and mouth gently closed. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Allow your body to breathe by itself. And try to observe the deep breathing. Try to meditate on your breathing. Meditating on your breath will control your mind. It controls the oscillating mind, fluctuating mind. The more you go deep into your breath, it becomes very subtle, subtler. Try to observe your inner silence. Slowly switch your awareness from your breath to your eyebrow center. We'll chant Om 3 times by observing the eyebrow center. Breathe in. Slowly and gently take your both hands back. Bend forward and off into Mantra Mudra. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Welcome on. Adopt sit comfortably. We'll move on to our next practice. Kapalabhati. Both the hands, Apana Mudra, tip of your thumb with your tip of your middle finger and ring finger. Keep it on your knees, facing the ceiling. Keep your back straight. Active exhalation, passive inhalation, which is good for sinusitis, allergies, and any type of allergy. So you have to push your stomach in and keep exhaling through nose. Start the practice. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. $50 rounds of Kapalabhati. After you do 50, then you do Antarkumbhak, that is internal retention of your breath, and practice Jalandhar Bandh and Mool Bandh. Beginners don't practice bandhas, just wait and go for the second round. Beginners don't practice bandhas. Second set. Now Bahir Kumbhak, Mahaband. That is Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. All the three you have to lock. That is throat, navel and base. Start the practice. Again, second set of Kapalabhati, active exhalation, passive inhalation. Keep exhaling through nose and push your stomach in. Once you are done, gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes once you are palm. Relax. Slowly come to standing posture. Join your legs. Stretch your both the hands forward. Hands in and out breathing. Put your right leg forward with your hand stretching sideways. Breathe in. Look up. Open your chest. Breathe out. Take your right leg back. Now put your left leg forward. Breathe in. Look up. Stretch your hand sideways. Open your chest. Breathe out. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Now ankle stretch breathing. Keep your both the hands on your thighs. Put your right leg forward and raise your both the hands up. Breathe in. Look back. Breathe out. Stretch your spine. Balance. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Separate your legs to your mat bed. Adjust your clothes. Stretch your both the hands sideways. Trikonasana breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Bend. Don't bend too much. Breathe out. Breathe in. Use only your torso. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now twist your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stretch your hands sideways. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Twist. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Relax your hands, adjust your clothes, forward and backward bending. Start with your right hand, breathe in, breathe out, left hand, breathe in, swing nicely, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Now both the hands, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Relax for a moment. Observe your whole body. Observe your breath. Observe your breath. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. We move on to Surya Namaskara. Stand in the front. Join your legs. Join your palm. Close your eyes. Relax and calm down your mind. Your thumb in between your chest. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Visualize a beautiful Surya in front of you. By observing the Surya, we chant the mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyashapihitam Mukham Tattvam Poshanna Bhavrunu Satya Dharmaya Dushtaye Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Mysore style of Surya Namaskara. Namaskarasana. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are comfortable, close your eyes. Otherwise, open your eyes. Inhale. Udbhasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vipadasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and an exhale hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhudarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Inhale and an exhale hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udvasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vipadasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and an exhale hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhudarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Inhale and an exhale hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster now. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Bhudarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana, Dvipadasana, Shashankasana, Sashtanga Namaskarasana, Bhujangasana, Bodharasana, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, Namaskarasana, Udvasana, hold. Breathe normal, stretch back nicely, relax your neck muscles. Last 2 rounds, have dhairya. Normal breathing, don't hold your breath, just hold the posture. Feel the stretching on your spine, good for your lower back pain, good for your neck muscles. Open your chest, good for your respiratory system. Observe your breath and try to do lower abdominal breathing. Padahastasana, bend forward, do abdominal breathing, good for your digestive system and for your reproductive system. Allow your abdominal muscles to breathe by itself. Right leg back, Ekapadasana, inhale, hold the posture, normal breathing. Observe your eyebrow center, good for your reproductive system. Normal breathing. Dvipadasana, exhale and hold. Plank pose, Dandasana, hold. It makes you strong, good for weight loss, good to tone up all your core muscles. Shashankasana, fold your knees, sit back, keep your forehead on the ground, rest your buttocks nicely on your heels. Good for your digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, hormonal imbalance, good for your kidney and liver functioning, good for sciatica pain, back pain, and stress hormones. Breathe, don't hold your breath, continue the journey of abdominal breathing. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Push your upper body forward, chest and chin down. Continue the journey of abdominal breathing again. Observe your abdominal cavity. Good for your digestive system and for your respiratory system. Close your elbows. Keep it closer to your rib cage and facing back. Don't open it this way. Keep it closer to your rib cage. Bhujangasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine, look up. Give a nice stretch to your spine. Good for your reproductive system and for your back pain management. Bodharasana. Rise your buttocks, stretch your tailbone towards the ceiling, lock your chin. Good for your thyroid glands. Good for your cough muscle and for your hamstrings. Push your head down and lock your chin and breathe. Normal. Holding is always good. It gives a good stretching for all the muscles, tissues and joints. Doing fast is of no use. Sometimes we can do faster for weight loss. That is dynamic one. Slowly bring your right leg forward, Ekapadasana. Make sure your knee is not passing your toes. Keep it perpendicular to the ground. Your knee should be perpendicular to the ground. Push your tongue down. Feel the stretching on your hamstrings. Left leg should be straight and be on your left toe balls. Padahastasana. Exhale. Hold and breathe normal. Have Sthyrium. Namaskarasana. Inhale and an exhale. Another half round. Have dhairya, patience. Uddhvasana. Inhale and hold. Join your palms. Stretch your spine. Look back. You can relax your neck muscles. If you have neck issue, don't stretch your neck. Just look forward and keep bending back. Breathe. Open your chest nicely. Open your chest cavity. Observe your breath. Close your eyes if you're comfortable. Visualize your posture. Padahastasana. Bend forward. Bend from your spine. Push your chest forward. Do abdominal breathing. Add Ujjayi breath. Slightly contracting your throat is Ujjayi breath. Left leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Hold the posture and then come to normal breathing. Vipadasana. Exhale and hold. It should be just like a plank. Dandasana. Don't raise your buttocks. Keep your body parallel to the ground. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale. Sit back. If your head is not touching the ground, you can just fold your hands and rest your chin on your cup of your palm. But make sure your buttocks are rested nicely on your heels. Inhale and then exhale. Normal breathing. Ujjayi breath. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. Roll your shoulders back. Open your chest. Stretch your spine and hold. Normal breathing. From your navel to throat, throat to navel. Bhudarasana. Exhale and hold. If you think distance between your hands and legs are too much, you can little walk forward with your legs and then adjust your position. Push your head down, lock your chin. Both the heels down, don't raise your heels. If you raise your heels, beauty of this asana will vanish. Put your left leg forward in between your hands. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Try to observe your eyebrow center. Shambhavi Mudra. Gazing at your eyebrow center. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale. And relax. Adjust your clothes. Wipe your sweat. Drink some water if you want. Don't be dehydrated. Rub your sweat on your skin itself. Don't waste it. It is all the positive energy. Just rub it on your skin. If you are too tired, bend forward. Do Mukhadauti. Keep your both the hands on your thighs. Inhale through nose. Blow it from your mouth. While blowing, contract your abdominal muscles. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. We'll move on to standing asana, Srukshasana. Fold your right leg, press your right foot on your left thigh. If you want, you can take wall support. If you think you're not able to balance, take wall support. Fold your right leg, press your right foot on your left thigh. Slowly rise both the hands up. Inhale. Join your palm above your head or in front of your chest, whichever is convenient. If you want, please take wall support. Don't mind taking wall support. Hold with normal breathing. Focus at any one point. You'll be able to balance. 1. Good for restless mind and stress. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite side. Fold your left leg, press your left foot on your right thigh and pull up your right kneecap. That is the grip, you will get it. And tighten your right kneecap. Automatically, you will be able to balance. Slowly inhale. Rise your both the hands up above your head. Join your palm and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly separate your legs. Pada Hastasana. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Stretch your spine. With deep exhalation, bend forward and cross your hands. Catch hold of your ankles and bend your elbow and push your head inside. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Now, Ardha Chakrasana. You have to bend back, complementary. Stretch both the hands forward. First, cross it. Interlock your fingers. Your palm should face to each other. Interlock your fingers and slowly bend back. Inhale and then exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have vertigo, avoid back bending. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, center, exhale, relax. Now, Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Keep your feet together. You can give a gap of half an inch if you want. Otherwise, keep your feet together. Keep your back straight. Inhale, stretch your right hand, right side. Turn your palm, rise it up. Inhale, stretch your spine. With deep exhalation, bend laterally to your left hand side. Left hand hanging. Hold with normal breathing. 1, good for your kidney and liver functioning. It gives a lateral bending to your spine. 4, 5, breathe. 6, 7, 8, close your ears with your biceps. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, one side you can feel heaviness, one side you can feel the lightness. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Self-complementary. Stretch your left hand, left side. Turn your palm, rise it up. Inhale, stretch nicely. Give the element of Tadasana and slowly bend laterally to your right hand side. Right hand hanging. Close your ears with your biceps. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3. Do abdominal breathing. 4. Don't tense your muscles. 5, 6, 7. It takes care of your waistline fat. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to sitting posture. Stretch your both the hands forward and so that your back will become straight. Do not touch your back. Slowly sit up. Stretch your legs. Paschimottanasana. Stretch both the legs forward. Both the toes facing towards you. Keep your back straight. Inhale. Rise both the hands up. Deep exhalation. Stretch your arms forward and hold. This much you can hold. Keep your back straight and look forward. Don't hunch your back. Back straight. Look forward. Open your chest and breathe. 1, 2. Do abdominal breathing. 3, 4. Good for your digestive system and for your reproductive system. If you have back pain, don't bend too much. You can just hold. If you can't reach your toes, just hold your calf muscle. Be there wherever you are. Breathe normal. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly separate your legs to your mat width. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Exhale, cross your hand. Right hand up, left hand down. Hook your big toe and twist your spine and bend laterally and hold. Close your ears with your biceps. If you can't reach your toes, it is okay. Just hold wherever you are and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Now again, rise both the hands up. Inhale. Now left hand up, right hand down. Cross it and hook your big toe and twist your spine and bend laterally. And observe from the left hand side up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly keep your feet together. We'll do the variations of Paschimottanasana. It is also called Brahmacharya Asana. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Exhale, turn your body to your right and slowly lean forward. Keep your chest and chin down and stretch your hands and hold. Don't lean too much towards your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stay there. Don't change your position. Just fold your left leg. Take your left hand inside and drag your left foot closer to your chest or chin. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale. Slowly first release your leg and slowly come up. The same way you have to come up. Now again, rise both the hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Turn your body to your left. Keep your chest and chin down. Stretch your hands sideways and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly inhale and then exhale. Slowly fold your right leg. Take your right hand inside your right leg and drag your right foot closer to your chest and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relax. Purvottanasana. We'll do the complementary for Paschimottanasana. You can keep your both the hands towards your both the fingers towards you and slowly either fold your legs, become like a tabletop or straight your legs, whichever is convenient. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to plank pose. From today onwards, we will practice plank every day. So your target is to hold the plank for 5 minutes. So today we'll start off for 30 seconds. I'll keep this stopwatch. I will not count for you. Get ready for Dandasana. Plank pose for 30 seconds. Gradually we will increase it. Okay, we will master each asana like this so that you will be losing your weight also and it will strengthen your core muscles also. Plank is best for core muscles and to make your body strong. Okay, get ready. I will start the stopwatch. Yes. Start. Go for action. Today only 30 seconds. Slowly we can increase it. We know that we can hold for 1 minute, but let's not hurry. Because lot of other people are there who cannot hold for 1 minute. We will allow them also to come to our level. Relax. Slowly rock yourself for 20 count. And roll yourself for 20 count. And then relax in Shavasana. Count yourself mentally. I am not counting for you. Count yourself. Those who have back pain, don't rock. Just do rolling. Once you are done with 20 count, you can relax. Relax your abdominal muscles. Meanwhile, slowly tuck your t-shirt inside and we'll go for our sadhana, Sarvangasana. Beginners, please don't do Sarvangasana. Just stick to Setubandhasana, that is bridge pose. So we are mastering few asanas. So we have already mastered Sarvangasana. So now our next target is Dandasana. We will be mastering it slowly. Beginners, just keep watching or you can just relax in Shavasana. Take few breaths, slow and deep breaths. Abdominal breathing or full yogic breathing. Abdominal, clavicular, thoracic and clavicular breathing. That is full yogic breathing. Slowly come to Sthiti. I hope everyone are relaxed. Come to Sthiti. I will put this stopwatch again. So I will be showing you Setubandhasana and you can be practicing Sarvangasana. Okay, start. Come to the action. Inhale, rise your legs up and roll your buttocks and lift it up towards the ceiling. Beginners, just be in Setubandhasana. Catch hold of your ankles, rise your buttocks and hold however long you can. You don't have to hold for 5 minutes since other people are already mastered it. I will tell you when to change. To do the variation. Change the variation. Separate your legs, split your legs sideways. Normal breathing. You can practice Kechari Mudra. Fold your tongue and touch your tip of your tongue with tip to upper palate, of soft corner of your upper palate. It stimulates hormonal production. You can feel the nectar. If you are feeling bitter, that means your body is full of toxins. You need to cleanse it. As we did Shatkarma, LSP, Lagushanka Prakshalana. Next variation, butterfly posture in Sarvangasana. Butterfly posture will help you to take care of your hernia problem. You can rest your both the feet in butterfly on the wall and you can hold. Breathe, don't tense your muscles. Normal breathing, calm your mind first. The moment you are tensed, you'll start tensing your muscles also. Breathe. Do abdominal breathing. From your abdomen to throat, throat to navel. Next, put Padmasana. Those who can't put Padmasana, put Ardha Padmasana. One leg, right, fold your right leg, rest your right foot on your left thigh. That is Ardha Padmasana, and your left leg will be straight. After 30 seconds, you can switch to the opposite leg. And those who are in Padmasana, twist your leg sideways and then front and try to touch your knee to the ground by twisting your spine. Yes, switch to the opposite leg. Those who are in Ardha Padmasana. Now release your Padmasana and do cycling. Forward and backward cycling. After 30 seconds, I will tell you to do reverse cycling. Fold it and stretch nicely. Just don't do it for the sake of doing it. Do it effectively. Reverse it. And relax. Relax the posture and stretch your legs. Complementary Matsyasana. Either put Padmasana and roll your head inside and lift your chest up. Rest your palm on your thighs or hook your big toe. Rest your elbows down. If you can't put Padmasana, straight your legs and hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and an exhale. Now Kasana. Lift your upper body and legs to 30 degree only. Okay, or 60. Inhale and exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Your palm facing the ceiling. Fingers naturally curled. Surrender your whole body to the ground. Adjust your position. Adjust your clothing. Wipe your sweat. Make a final adjustment to your clothing and your position. Once we get into Shavasana, no physical movement. Your whole body is just lying on the ground with conscious breathing like a dead body. Relax completely and surrender yourself to the ground. And watch your breath, which is slow and deep. Breathing from your toes to the head. Breathe out from your head to the toe. Slowly switch your awareness from your breath to the body. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your kneecap. Relax your thighs. Relax your buttock muscles. Relax your hip joint. Relax your pelvic. Relax your spine. Relax your backbone. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest muscles. Relax your diaphragm. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your forearms, armpit, elbows, wrist, palm, fingers. Relax your throat. Relax your neck. Relax your facial muscles. A gentle and a beautiful smile on your face. Relax your head region. Relax your back of your head. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet and enjoy the relaxation. Relax. Vishranti. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your whole body and mind and soul. Your mind is so calm, enjoying the blissful relaxation. Slowly bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Do not open your eyes. Beginners can open your eyes, and rest of you just close your eyes. Your mind should not get distracted by something one which will distract your mind, because you'll be seeing a lot of things or walking around people. So your mind should not get distracted. We'll move on to Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Beginners can open and see left hand chin mudra, right hand, Nasika Mudra or Nasagra Mudra. Keep your index and middle finger on your eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Senior practitioners, go for 1:2 ratio. First round, I will guide for you. Close your right nostril. Inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your left. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your right. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that is one round. Continue for a few more rounds. And beginners, be with me. Go according to my instruction. 1:1. Stick to 1:1 ratio. Inhale through left. Again. Exhale left only. Beginners, be with me. Inhale through left. Exhale through left. Again, inhale through left. Exhale through left. Continue for a few more rounds. No sound, effortless, natural and normal breathing. Back 100% straight. Either you can sit on a pillow or sit in Vajrasana. Automatically your back will become straight. Then only it is effective. Otherwise it's of no use. Because you are using your diaphragm to breathe. If you shrink it, you cannot breathe properly. Right? That is the reason your back should be 100% straight. Don't tense your muscles. Keep it completely relaxed. If your right hand is paining, you can rest your elbow on your cup of your left palm and hold like this also. Yes, beginners, close your left nostril and switch to right. Inhale through right. Exhale through right. Again, inhale through right. Exhale through right. Continue for a few more rounds. This week, you just stick to this. Only left and right. Point of concentration on your eyebrow center. And relax and stop the practice. We'll wind up the session with 3 Omkaras. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Enjoy the peaceful relaxation. Breathing. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palm. Rub it nicely. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. See you tomorrow.